I'm Georgia Whalen with LEID Products, and we're here at Southern Illinois University, Edwardsville, to discuss the BACS Asset Management System with Chief Gina Hayes and Lieutenant Dan Keaton.
Good morning. My name is Lieutenant Dan Keaton with the SIU Edwardsville Police Department. Today we're going to be demonstrating the BACS Asset Management System that we utilize to increase the efficiency and accountability of the equipment that we issue our officers. I'm going to demonstrate the BACS Asset Management System for our officers at beginning or end of their shift when they come in here to acquire certain equipment. All officers have been assigned a fingerprint as well as a password to enter the system. Basically, they're going to use the finger that they scanned with. If you notice the screen, there are several options available. I'm an administrator on the system, therefore the officers will not see this many options available to them. They will have an acquire and a return button. They will look at the screen, and at the beginning of the shift they're going to say, I want to acquire equipment. The screen will pop up, show what equipment is available to them. In our situation, there's usually 3 items that the officers will utilize during their shift. One is an AED. The screen here will show me what is available to them. They just select whichever AED that they want. They select the choose button. The cabinet will open. And what I've recommended to them is that they can stay at the kiosk, go ahead and select all of their items at the same time. It saves time and saves trouble. They'll go to the camera, select the camera, choose that one, as well as the taser. Now, they can retrieve the equipment, remove it. Now, the system will automatically log off, or they can choose a log off function and they're out of the system, and it will update and show that that user has this equipment assigned to them. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how an officer at the end of the shift would return the equipment they had previously assigned to them at the start. The sequence is the same as before. You're going to log in with your fingerprint. You're going to go to the option that allows you to return your equipment. You select return, and then you'll be given a list of all the items that you have logged out under your user ID. Each of the pieces of equipment are equipped with an RFID chip that will allow us to scan the item and be put back into the original location of the asset control system. You simply take each item, hover above the scanner, that item will be highlighted, you choose that item, and the appropriate bin door will be open. Place the equipment back in, secure the door, the system will update that showing that you have returned the equipment. And then with each additional piece of equipment, you just continue to scan. It will tell you what you scanned, choose it, appropriate door will open, and return the equipment. Again with the AED. Turn that equipment, log off of the system, and the system will update showing that you have returned all the items. One of the features that I really like about the system is the maintenance feature. Let's say an officer comes back to return equipment. They log in, they're going to return their equipment. However, in this case, the taser has a dead battery or any other malfunction. When they go to return it, they can scan it in. They'll see a maintenance feature selection here to the left of the screen. They select that. There's going to be a list of canned responses that they can choose from. If there is not, they can add their own with the keyboard. It could be a dead battery, it could be a broken sight, whatever the case is. Once they do that, they hit enter, then accept, and then now this piece of equipment will not be allowed to be checked out by another officer until it's repaired. So this reduces the downtime that we have of faulty equipment being issued to each subsequent officer when they come onto the shift. Another piece of equipment that each officer is issued at the start of their shift is a set of master keys as well as their squad car keys. We have utilized and incorporated the BACS key cabinet into our system to ensure the accountability and efficiency of those keys that are issued to them. The system works similar to the way that the asset control does. We log in, we're going to acquire. When we select acquire, we'll have a category of keys, and under the equipment listing there will be a list of keys that will be available to them. In most cases it's just going to be a squad car key that has the master keys attached to it. They will select that key, They will choose it, wait for the appropriate process to open the cabinet door. Upon entering the cabinet, you will see the light that tells you which key it is that you've selected. Close the door, and the system will automatically log you off. At the end of the officer's shift, when they return their equipment, they will also have to return their keys into the BACS key cabinet. The process for login is the same. They will log in with a fingerprint, select return, and the key will show up under their equipment. However, this fob is different than the RFID chipped items. There is no scanning feature available to this. You will select the item you want to return, you'll hit choose. The cabinet door will allow you to open it, and it will indicate placement of this fob wherever there's a red light. Push the key in, close the cabinet, and the system will update that information to show that you have returned the key.
I'm Chief Gina Hayes from the Southern Illinois University Edwardsville Police Department, and I wanted to explain a little bit about the biometric access control system from LEID products. We are extremely pleased with this system that we bought. It was important for us to figure out we need to take better care of our equipment. We purchased it for the accessibility, the accountability, and the maintenance part of the program. We also realized that the officers take a little bit better care of the equipment when they know that they're going to be accountable for it. So it's been of extreme value, and I would highly recommend this product to anybody who wants to purchase it. We've been nothing but pleased with the product so far.